Hello friends, I welcome you all to Crazy Calculation series of Board and Beyond. So where we learn some short tricks basically based on Vedic mathematics, okay, to enhance your calculation speed or to make it fast, right, so that you save time, right, while doing the problems. So let us see what we are going to learn today, right. So what we are going to learn today is that whenever his number is nearing to, let us say, 100, 1000, 10,000, how is that we can find out a square root, square root, square of that number, okay, very easily without actually doing much of hassle or without actually even touching pen and paper, right? If you remember certain values, it will just be clear to you. So friends, you see there is an example which I have taken. I have taken 4 examples here, okay. The first one is 96 square, right? So we all understand that 96 is near to 100 but lesser than 4, right? So the first, there are two concepts here. It is near to 100, okay. How many zeros does 100 have, friends? 2 zeros. So the base is 2. Or base is 100, you can say, right? So your right hand side will have 2 digits. Now since this is less than, it is 4 less than 100, right? So what we will do is that we will subtract 4 from 96, that is 96 minus 4, right, is equal to 92. So we will write 92 here, put a small line, and then move to the first one, this side. So what is that we have subtracted? 4, right? So we will square 4. So 4 square is nothing but 16. And we see that 16 has got 2 digits, right? Which is equal to the number of zeros, right, in the base. That means this would be the answer. 9216 is the answer. I hope the concept is clear here, friends. There are 3 important points, okay. Is it nearing to 100, 1000 or 10,000? So if it is nearing to 100, that means base is 100, right? Then how much is it lesser than 100? 4, it is less than 100. So we will subtract 4 from 96, which will give me 92, which will form my left hand side, right? For the right hand side, whatever we have subtracted, we will square that. That is 4 square is equal to 16, and we will write it here. You'll just see 16 is having only 2 digits because 1 second. (16) is having only 2 digits because it is permissible to have only 2 digits only, right hand side, okay. So that is 9216 is the answer. Let us move on to the next one, friends. So this is nearing to 100, near to 1000, near to 1000, right? Now it is 2 less than 1000. So what I will do is that I will subtract 2 from this, and I will write 996. Okay. So how does this 996 has come? This has come from 998 minus 2, because it is 2 less than 1000, right? So 996. This is my left hand side. Now how much we have subtracted? We have subtracted 2. So we will square that. Correct? 2 into 2. We will square that. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. But you see my how many digits here? It is near to 1000, so 3 digits. So it is only 1 digit. So we will put 2 digits. So 996004 is the answer. You are getting, my friends? Let us do 89. Okay. Now 89, it is near to 100, right? Slightly lesser than 100. Okay. So how much less? This is 100 minus 11, right, friends? So this is, I will subtract 11 to this, that becomes 78. Is my left hand side, my left hand side is ready. Now how much I have subtracted? 11, right? So I will square 11, that is equal to 121. Right friends, here is a catch, right? It is near to 100, so right hand side is permissible to have only 2 digits, but we have got 3 digits. So we will transfer this one to this side and we will write 7921. It will get added here. This will get added. 1 will get added to 8. This becomes 7921. So 89 square is equal to 7921. Right? Similarly, we will see 9985. Right friends? So this is near to 10,000. Right? It is near to 10,000. How much less than 10,000? 15 less than 10,000. Right friends? So I will reduce 15 from here. This becomes 9970. Right? Now 15 I have reduced, so I have square 15. So if you remember, 15 square is equal to 225. 225. But this should have 4 digits, friend. I have got only 3. I will put another 0, make it 4. Right? So 997002225 is the answer. Right? So I am not going to calculate it very fast. I'll just concentrate on the understanding part of it. I hope you have understood. So the basic thing here is that we first find out the base. That means the number given to us is near to what? Near to 100, 1000, 10,000, whatever. Right? So, and how much lesser than that? Okay, maybe 5 lesser than that. Then what do we do is that we subtract 5 from the number given to us. Write it on the left hand side. Correct? Now we have subtracted 5, so we square that and write it on the right hand side. Write it on the right hand side. Then we see what was our base. Okay, so let us say base is equal to 100, then the right hand side should have 2 digits. If it is not, add 0 and make it. If the right hand side is let us say 1000, okay, as in the case of this, okay, the right hand side should have 3 digits. If it is only 1, add 2 zeros. If it is 2, add 1 0, and then you write the answer like this. Okay, if the right hand side is equal to if the base is equal to 10,000, so right hand side should have 4 digits. How many zeros? The right hand side should have number of zeros, digits equal to number of zeros, right? So this is 225, so we add another 0 and make it 4 digit and then write it here. Let us say the left hand side becomes more than the base number. So here the base number is 100. It should contain, the right hand side should contain only 2 digits. But by multiplying or that squaring 11, I got 3 digits. Then the 1 digit has to go back to the left hand side and get added there. Okay, so this one will go there, get added, 78 plus this becomes 71 plus 78, that is equal to 79. Or I will just write here 7, 8, it is 1 to 1. So 1 and this will get added and come here, that is equal to 7, 9, and 2, 1 will remain like this. Right friends? So you got it? So this is how you basically have to do it. Okay, definitely it will save your time. I am not going to demonstrate that today. Okay? So thank you so much. We will meet up in the next series. We will meet up next time. So till the time we meet next, be happy, be safe, keep learning with us, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for joining. All the best. Bye.